everybody, Fred here with RedlineAutosports.com and RedlineMuscleCars.com. This is our 66 Mustang Fastback, 289 4-speed, disc brakes, style steel wheels. It's Rangoon red. Fires up and drives really good. It's solid, it's beautiful. It's got its buck tag. Buck tag's kind of like a build sheet. This car shines like a new penny. It's got Black Deluxe interior. It is a fastback. It's what everybody wants. Most everybody anyway. Deluxe pony interior, deluxe gauges, Hurst 4-speed shifter. It's got the deluxe door panels with the lights in the door, running pony interior, deluxe seat belts, deluxe 3-spoke wood steering wheel. Very, very, very nice car. Spare. All the chrome is very nice. Dual exhaust all the way out the back. Tinted glass. Gorgeous paint. Style steel wheels. Brand new BFG radial TAs. This is a really nice car. Dash, headliner, seat covers with the running ponies. Car is laser straight. Very awesome. Check us out at RedlineMuscleCars.com or RedlineAutosports.com. Call or text me 580-221-4326. Thanks. Y'all have a blessed and awesome day.